Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can take your sketch logos like this and transform them into 3D metallic logos like this inside of Affinity Studio. If you've not subscribed to my channel, now is the best time to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss videos like this that I'm posting in the future. Without having to say much, let's get started. So this is the logo I'm going to be using for this particular exercise. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to lock this so I don't get to move this around, and I'm going to reduce my opacity like this. Alright, so now to the business of the day. So I'm going to come here and use my pencil. Right now, these are the settings you need to take note of. I'm going to be using 2 points, so I'm just going to type 2 here, click enter. Over here I'm going to be using the stabilizer, right? And I'm going to set it to window mode. Now you can use this if you are using your tablet, right? This one here, the first one, right? But this is the one I'm going to be using because I'm using the mouse. So all ye mouse users, please use this. Right, and my smoothness is going to be set to 100. Let me bring this up and use this smoothness set to 100, please, and this set to 25, and make sure, okay, keep this selected, and also make sure you use line style, not fill. So let's get started. So I'm just going to start from this point here, and I'm just going to draw. You can see, and because you have the smoothness set to 100, it's going to smoothen up the line for you just like this, right? I'm going to draw from this part here, and create an overlap. Very important. So you can choose to go back to the node tool and readjust your nodes. For example, this one needs to go up, and this one here needs to come inside here like this. Okay, so this is perfect. So let's move on with this. So the next one I'm going to do is this here. So I'm just going to draw. Just be free with this, right? Free yourself, express yourself with your hands, and draw this part here like this, and release, and you're done. And finally I'm going to draw from this point here, or better still, let me go from here, create an overlap. It's very, very important. All right, I missed that, but I'm going to come back. Okay, so go and select your node tool. The first one, I'm going to drag this inside to create an overlap. All right, with this one here, I'm just going to take this outside and make a couple of adjustments. This is going to go up. I think I'm going to bring this to this point here so that I can have my nice overlap. And this one here, I'm going to take him inside like this. But this part, I can choose to increase this way, but I'm entirely cool with what I have here. Take this outside. Okay, so when you are cool with everything, make a selection of the whole lines like this, and what you should do is click on shape builder, click on this minus, and get rid of this part here. Get rid of this part here. Get rid of these parts, and 1, 2, good. So switch immediately to the plus and click on this, and click on this. So you have 3 shapes defined like this. So what you want to do next is you have 3 of them selected. Go over to color. You can give them this red color first. This is the base color. Remove the outline, please, very important. Click out, click this one in the middle. This one is going to have, oops, sorry about that, fill color, and click this color. It's going to have a different color. Okay, so I'm going to hide the layer below and select this. So let's start working on this. Let's add some effects to this. So to do that, I'm going to select this and select the fill tool. I'm going to drag from this point to this point. Of course, this is going to stay in the native red, but for this one, I'm going to add another point here. Click on this point here and make it black. Move out, move in, like this. Select this one, which is this one here. I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to change the color. This is going to be red. And position this well. Add another extra color here. And this is good. Select this one. Click this part, and select black. Move this downwards like this. And this is perfect. So I'm going to move this downwards here like this. Still selecting this. I'm going to use my node tool. Alright, so select the node tool. And I'm just going to take this inside so that I don't have any white lines at the end of the day. So move this inside. I can choose to leave this the way it is. It's better, or just better still leave it like this. Okay, this is good. This is also good. And I can rotate this to give it this fit like this. Or better still, I just drag this point like this and I am good with this. Smoothen this out and drag only this part here. And that's all. That's all I need to do. So back to this, I'm going to go to FX, Layer Effects, click on Bevel and Emboss, and I'm going to change it from, before I start anything, sorry. I'm going to change this from pillow to inner, right? And you should copy my settings. So I'm just going to type these values, right? So this is going to be 88 point, right? And I'm just going to bump this up like this. Let me just type it. So this is going to be a 10 points. And over here, I'm going to change the value here also. And here also. So the highlights and everything stays the same. Basically, that's all we're doing. You can see our nice effect, right? So with this, I'm just going to click on close. Like this, click close, like this to close it up. So I don't get to repeat this other one with this. I'll just hold down the Alt key and drag this onto this. You can see I filled it with the same effect, right? So I don't go back there. I'm just not going to add it to this one. This one would stay the way it is, right? So let me see. Okay, so let me bring this down. Okay, good. Good. Okay, you can see our nice logo and the 3D effects, right? So let's move on with this. Click on the FX, and I'm going to add inner glow to this particular one, right? So change the color to red, right? Change the color to red, and increase the radius like this. And of course, add some intensity, but not too much. Somewhere around here is good. And reduce the opacity here like this. Click X when you're done to close it. And okay, draw a rectangle. Revert this, press D on your keyboard. None, white color. And draw a rectangle like this. Give it a red color. Alright. Click on Fill Tool and click on Elliptical. And click on Reverse. This is reverse here. So reverse this. Good. So this middle color here, this one here, make it white. So come here and select white. And add another one here and space it out. Take this one outside, like this. And move this one upward, just like this. You can see our nice logo effect. Now, group all of this, Ctrl G to group them. And I'm going to go over to my Smart Designer Premium assets. To get this, the link is in the description of this video, right? And I'm going to open my premium background. I'm going to select the reds, and I'm going to bring this image inside here, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it bigger so that it covers the frame. I'm going to change my blend mode to screen. And when I've done that, I'm going to click on these settings here in the blend mode, just similar to what you have in Photoshop, right? I'm going to bring this down here, and let me see what works best. Okay, for that, for the source, I'm going to change the source. Ooh, amazing. Just amazing what you can actually do inside of Affinity nowadays. Oops. Okay. So I'm trying not to have too much of it. So I might just bring this. This is just amazing. I'm going to use this, but I'm going to reduce the opacity like this. So it's not too much. Oh, this is just amazing. Put it inside of the group and click on the mask. Go over to the pixel part of Affinity, which is like the Photoshop part. Click on the pens and conceal these areas like this. Okay, So there you have it. I've concealed those parts, right? So yeah, we're almost ready with this. One thing I failed to mention, click on this FX. Make sure you check this scale with objects so that when you're trying to scale this, it doesn't deform, right? So close, make sure scale with object is always selected when you're adding 3D effects like this. Okay, so close this up. Move this upward like this, and we're good to go, guys. So if you've enjoyed this video, if you've learned something very important, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can't just be a viewer and not be a subscriber. Subscribe to this channel and make sure that your post notification is on, so when I post a video, you're the first to get a glimpse of what I have. Till I come your way, I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.